Yeah, I'm going to explain why these are some of my favorite floor liners. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my BMW i3. It's a pretty nice day, but it is fall. It's cold. Got the heavy jacket on and a layer of fat to protect my muscle, or what's left of it. But winter is coming and it gets down to below freezing already. And so I wanted to put in some floor liners to protect my carpet from all the salt and stuff that they put down here in the Midwest. And these are from 3D floor liners. I've had some floor liners from them before, and you might be thinking, well, they're all the same. Well, these are a little bit different, and I'm going to show you why I chose these. All right, so here are the floor liners, and what I should tell you, what makes these floor liners the same is that they do like a laser scan of cars, so they just kind of drop in because they're already formed, unlike floor mats, which are just fabric cut to the right shape to kind of fit into the floor wall. These are molded so that you have more of a catch tray. So if you get in here with mud, salt, water, it's going to be caught. You can see how big of a lip this is. So it's like a tray, but as you can see here, these floor liners are a little bit different in that they're not just plastic. They are lined with this fabric. So you get the look and feel of carpet, the insulation, as opposed to making your car just sound like a reverberating locker room or something. So I love those because the ones that are plastic work great. I mean, I'm not saying that they don't, but when you get the floor liner with this fabric on there, it doesn't look like a floor liner. It doesn't make the car look like a work truck, and it doesn't give you that sound. So I already vacuumed the car. Let's go ahead and put this in and see how it looks. All right, so here are the liners. This one's for the back, I presume. And I've got the carpets out of there, as you can see. A pretty little tight fit here. I'm going to have to kind of work it in when we move these seats. But there's something about these liners that I already discovered, which kind of actually amazes me. But I'm going to hold off on telling you that until I put the front ones in, because it has to do with the front liners. So you can see it goes in like that. I'm going to have to kind of move the seats around to get it fitted in, and then we'll take a look at it. All right, got the back liners in here. That was pretty easy. And man, these things are such a good fit. And in fact, I didn't even push this down around the rails. They kind of fit right around there. They've got little tabs actually so that they can kind of slide underneath this little flat area. And then you can see this raised area all the way around, and that means that it'll catch everything. I love how it goes over the little minimalist hump there. This is a great match. I mean, it feels nice, and you get that weather liner tray protection without it looking, like I said, industrial. It still feels like carpet. You could actually probably put your floor mats down on top of this if you really wanted to. I just feel like then you're adding, thickness to the floor. For insulation, that could be nice, but you don't want your knees up in your chest any more than you already are. But let's get the front ones in and let me show you what impresses me most. All right, so I got the front two mats in here, and as you might expect, they fit great. Actually, I gotta pull this up here. It's caught just a little bit on that corner, and that'll flatten that out. But what I wanted to show you here was that the middle section here does not have any covering because it's basically flat, but they send you another piece here that I think would probably go this way, just like this, and cover up this middle section, this middle piece. And actually, now I bet it goes underneath these two right there. Oh man, look at that. So now you've got this middle hump there covered as well. So if you have something fall there, coffee from your morning mocha or something, it's going to fall on there and not get in the carpet too. So that is pretty awesome. I really like that. And for the Asmere portion of this, 3D right there. Peel that plastic off. So now you can have floor mats that will protect from the snow and all that other stuff, catch anything that drips down here, drinks, weather, precipitation, and keep your carpets nice and clean. So if you want to pick these up and keep your car protected, but with that luxurious plush fabric, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.